continuation of last video. Axis maximum of axis 0 means columns. Okay, so here these are all the column headings. These column headings will appear like this, and which is the maximum in these columns. For example, TCS, for TCS, which is the maximum, 5000 is maximum, so that is printed here. Similarly, Wipro, which is the maximum, 9000, that is printed in next row. Wipro 9000, and Infosys 8900 is maximum, that is printed. Okay, this is what this program. And then if I want to see that next one in row wise, okay, in row wise, so I want to see maximum of axis 1 means row wise. Press F5. See here, row means these are all the rows, right? So in quarterly one, who's got highest one, 8000. Then similarly next quarterly two, who got the last sorry, maximum execution, that is 8500 900. Similarly quarterly three, 9000 is the greatest. This is what finding out axis 0 and axis 1. So if you give axis 0, column wise maximum things will be printed, and then axis 1, if you press maximum of axis 1, axis 1 means row wise maximum will be printed. This is what the thing you have to learn. Okay, that is what the thing explained over here. Maximum. Similarly, minimum means all the minimum values will be printed. So opposite of maximum, minimum will be there. The next one, count. If you going to give count, Wipro dot count, how many people are there in Wipro? So that also we can say minimum as well as. So if you want to see the max instead of maximum, you can see the minimum thing, that also well printed. Now we can see that. First I am going to see TCS or Wipro. Okay, TCS is the first column, so that we can go with that. Press F5. Now you could see the minimum. See here, the TCS, which is the minimum 2500. So this is applied. Similarly, I'm just going to say this one should be now comment, and axis of 0. You know, axis means axis 0 means column, right? So you could see column wise. See here the column TCS, Wipro, Infosys, right? Those things will like appear like this, and the minimum thing in TCS is 2500. Here Wipro is 5000, and then here 7000. So those minimum columns are appeared here, right? Similarly, column is 1 also we can do, so that will be appear like that. Now I'm just going to say that count, all the aggregate functions will be there. So I'm just going to say count of this one. Okay, TCS. Let's see the program now. See here, count of TCS, three things are there. 1, 2, 3. Quarterly 1, quarterly 2, quarterly 3. This is what counting. Okay, that is very simple. Just it will count the records of this particular column. So what is the mean? Mean means arithmetic mean, average of those things. That also we can do. So instead of count, I'm just going to say that mean. Press F5. See here. So it is taking the first column, 2500, 3000, 5000, right? So in TCS, it will be calculating 3500 as the mean. Okay. Axis 0 means each column wise mean, and then row wise mean. You could see those answers also. You have to do everything in the system, and you could understand the things and work out everything and show me all the outputs. Okay, and you see here sum. the total sum. So all the arithmetic things are now, all the statistics things are now going